Welcome to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to see how you can make a poem using ChatGPT. To use ChatGPT to write a poem, the user simply needs to provide a prompt or theme for the poem, and the ChatGPT will immediately generate a poem based on the input. The user can also specify the type of the poem such as sonnet, haiku or free verse. We can either generate directly from the ChatGPT or we can use some poem generator AI tools like poemgenerator.org, or even you can use AI poemgenerator.org, where many tools are available also for it. Now we can see a demo of how this is possible. So first I am entering into the ChatGPT. I am getting into the new chat. Here I am asking generate a poem to generate a poem on happiness. So now the ChatGPT will immediately generate a poem regarding the happiness. And once if you feel it is a long poem, you can give stop generating. And if you want to generate the poem or you want to translate the poem in your own language, for example, I may ask to translate the above code or above poem into your mother tongue. So it's translate the above poem to, I'm asking to translate to Tamil. So it immediately translates the poem into a Tamil poem. So this is the way you can generate using ChatGPT directly, or even you can give poetgpt.co.ai. So here I am asking to generate, my prompt is happiness, and the mode of generation is free, and the output size is small, and the AI model I use is ChatGPT, and if I ask to generate, it will immediately generate a poem on happiness. If I want to give a poem regarding life, it will generate a poem regarding life. It generates a small poem. Here, since I am giving the prompt as small, output size is small and the prompt is life. So this is the way either we can generate in PoetGPT, or you can directly ask the ChatGPT to generate a poem, and even you can translate the corresponding poem into your required language. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.